Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome. How's everybody doing? Hey, Camille, you're the first. Go for Camille. Welcome. The #1 fanboy. Oh, all right. Let's see what's happening here. Good morning. Good morning. What a day yesterday, right? One of the crappiest days. Both even the PM session, like maybe the lunch hour did some movement here, but look at the PM session. Oh my. But I was a little bit lucky. I made some trades. But man, what a crappy day. Can we do a selfie? Oh my god. Yeah, you know what? I can do a Photoshop for you since you're not here. We'll Photoshop something together. All right. We'll do that. Oh man. Joey, welcome. Hello. Good morning. All right. Oh, what a day. What a day. So, we have a new day opening gap. We have an Asia high as well, or did we? No, we have it here. Asia low has been broken. Consistent trader, hello. I get a video verification required from Apex after drawing more than 10K from 10 so far this year. What? A video verification? Well, if that's all it takes for them, I mean, who cares, right? If that's all they require, I would just say, all right, F it. I'm gonna do it, like, no problem. I heard this from others as well, like those people who are pulling out consistently money. They receive this call from them, and that's it. It's it's fine. Sam, good morning. Green is here. Welcome. Bree. Hey, good to see you. All right. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a low, PM session low, and an AM session low. And what do we have on the 1 hour? Previous day low is actually London low. Yesterday London low. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, consistent trader. Yeah, I mean, not everybody was called to a live video verification. But yeah, if they see someone pulling out money, I mean, I haven't received a verification yet. Maybe they saw my YouTube channel. I don't know. I haven't emailed to anyone from Apex about my YouTube channel, but maybe they figured it out. I don't know, because of the affiliation. But I did not receive this kind of call from anyone at Apex, but I guess it's because of the YouTube. I don't know. I have no idea. But I did hear that some people got the same request from Apex. Mostly the ones who are making profits. Fresh Delgado, my man. What's up? What's the word? Well, The word is, I'm not really sure. The word is, I went crazy yesterday, but today I don't know. I wish I would know. Gold dump. Oh, by the way, gold. I have to check on gold. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this dumpage on gold. I'm gonna put some lines here. I forgot to update my chart on gold. We have a previous day high up there. Previous day high. I have a previous day low. And let me put a midnight level right there. Okay. Wow, look at this. Gold is really giving in right now. And wow, look at that. This is actually a daily order block. Interesting. There's a sell side liquidity, aka daily fair value gap at 86.1 on the oh, that's the mini, sorry. Daily fair value gap. I think that could be the target. 86.1 could be a very interesting target down there. I'm gonna switch back to NQ in a second here, but this could be interesting. And as you see it, that's an order block low. This is an official daily order block on gold. And you know what I say about order blocks or demand zone, you know. Demand zones or supply zones, aka order blocks, are meant to be broken. That's what I always say. So who knows? 2970.4 to sweep liquidity. That's a good area. Anyway, I think gold might just gonna turn. I mean, it's just gonna keep dumping until 86.1. I'm back on the 5-minute here. But yeah, interesting. New York session was, yeah, that definitely. I mean, look at this New York session, the AM session and the PM session both. The way I made some extra money was lunch hour trade. I don't even know what I did. I was scalping like crazy on my Take Profit Trader account, and I went total crazy on my Take Profit Trader account. I think I posted it there, posted to Twitter as well. So yesterday on my brand new Take Profit Trader account, I made $2,762. So I requested today $762 has been requested already before the stream started. So that was a crazy day. Naomi, hello. Oh, I just sent you an email this morning. Not sure I know more information about the situation, but I'll let you update it ASAP as I know more. But this is all I could add to it. But as soon as I have word from Reza, I will let you know. Nikolai, hello, good morning. What would you suggest if someone wants to learn ICT concepts fast? There are so many videos. Yeah, there's a lot. I would suggest go to ICT's channel if you want to learn ICT. Go to his channel and find the playlist that's called, I think, Core Content. Go for Core Content. And after Core Content, which playlist to go with? There are another playlist, or there's another one. The 2022 mentorship or something like that is also good. Go through the core content and then the market maker buy and sell models. There, I don't know the playlist by memory, but core content is where you should start, I think. And that's a lot too. And take a notepad and a pen and write down stuff. Like literally like in the school. Start to learn. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, man. I mean, that's how I started, and watch some of his videos. Um, I mean, there are literally thousands of videos out there from other YouTubers as well. Everybody's milking the ICT concept video for YouTube. I mean, from YouTube, everybody's creating the same ICT videos to milk YouTube. But yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Fresh dog. It was interesting drop there. Ron, good morning. Taking a break. Already spent 400 this month. Oh, 3 PAs. What I would do, Ron, by the way, before you take a break, and I know you spent that on PA accounts. What I would do to keep your mind on focus, stepping away from the market is a good thing for a few days, but don't step away for a few weeks or something. What I would do is buy a cheap evaluation account. For example, Bulenox, like 15 bucks or 17, I don't know, 16 bucks. Buy a cheap evaluation account just to put a little bit of meat in the game, okay? A bit of a skin in the game. So don't do a demo account. Do an evaluation account, a cheap one. That's what I did too. And forget about the PA account. Forget about making profits. Give yourself at least the bare minimum is 1 or 2 months. And don't try to pass the account in 1 day. Forget about passing the Bulenox. I know it's 1 day pass and blah, blah, blah. Forget about it. Forget about passing in 1 day. Actually, do the opposite. Once you, for example, make like $200 or $300 a day on that Bulenox evaluation account, forget about the account. Maybe do another evaluation, but don't trade. There has to be a daily profit target. If you make like $300 on that eval, stop. That's it. Stop with that eval. Do a demo, whatever, or another eval. That's what you have to do. You have to slow down. I know it sounds crazy and silly. You have to slow down a little bit. Your first goal is to have an account. It doesn't matter if it's just an evaluation account. It's actually a good thing. Keep it for 30 days. Yes, you're going to get rebuilt. Who cares? It's $16, man. Just keep it for 30 days. And stop when you make $300 or $400 maybe. Stop. You don't want to pass that account. Keep it. Trade it for 4 weeks. That's the thing. That's what I can tell. It's going to work, but it's going to take time. I know. We all want to make money, but that's what you should do, man. That's what I would do. That's the job you have to take right now. Forget about the PA accounts. It's easy to get a PA account at Apex and Bulenox. It's very easy. That's why everybody, all the YouTube influencers, including me, I'm just a small guppy fish, but I also, that's why I have multiple Bulenox and Apex accounts, because it's so easy to pass it in 1 day. Okay? Keep it for 30 days. That's it. Hey, thank you, Naomi. Thank you, consistent trader. You got the email. All right. I'll let you update it as soon as I know more. Farhad, hello. Maybe next week. Yeah. Take a break this week. Rest up. Maybe watch some videos. Learn something, Ron. Okay. Or just spend time with your family, whatever. Friends. Go to the movies. Eat some good food. Enjoy yourself. Have a good week. It's almost at the weekend already. So have a good rest of the week, Ron. Relax. And then next week, just a cheap evaluation. Okay, that's it. You're welcome. Hey, MB, what up? Any giveaway? You don't mind a 50K top step? Oh yeah, giveaway. I received an email. Speaking of giveaway, because believe it or not, Oh, just in time for the giveaway. Guys, you wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. This is like, look at that. I just received $1,019 9 minutes ago. That says in Hungarian, you don't see it because it's blurred, 9 minutes. That number down there says 9 minutes ago. Below the Apex name, that's a 9. I just received $1,019 to my USD account 9 minutes ago from Apex. So, what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give $50 on the stream. I promised you guys. So $50 giveaway right now, okay, on the stream from this Apex payout, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Just give me a minute to set it up, okay? I'll let you guys know. I just have to set it up. MyFundedFutures giveaway is gonna happen too. I have 2 videos technically ready. One from Take Profit Trader, one from MyFundedFutures. I've been promised like 2 times already from MyFundedFutures that I'm gonna have accounts that they can give you to you guys. Let's go. Just a second, I did not set it up. Hey Shenanigan, hey, and welcome everybody. If I forget to say hello to anyone, smash the like. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me set up the giveaway. Just so I just received it like now. How much it says? Yeah, 12 minutes. No, 11 minutes ago. So it's only fair to make a $50 giveaway. Why not? You know. Giveaway. Okay, $50 giveaway started right now. Exclamation mark cash. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. And yesterday, like, this was crazy. Like 27. I mean, so far this is one of maybe the no, this is the second biggest trading day on a funded account. The biggest day was $4,600 on a 150K Take Profit Trader account, and this is so far my second biggest day, $2,762. And so I requested the 762. Where is the account? The account is right here. So they have not deducted the amount yet. I think they're gonna do it during the New York business hours. So, but this is the account. At least it's above the safety net, so that's a good thing. All right. Yeah, I mean, we are emailing with MyFundedFutures. I don't have the confirmation, but they reached out to me, so I was not the one who reached out. They were the ones who reached out to me in an email that they would like me to jump in the PM session, New York PM session, which is for me like most likely at 8 or 9 p.m. To jump in for at least an hour or something. So they reached out to me. I replied to them last week, I think, that I'm interested. Let me know how should we continue, blah, blah, blah. And now I'm just waiting for their response. That's it. So maybe I'm going to appear in MyFundedFutures TV. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Karsten, good morning. Hey, I wish you all the best too, Karsten. Raj, good morning. Sure. For Apex, if it has been like 7 days, was recut and approved, how long is it to wait for the... if it has been approved, it's usually within like 2 or 3 business days. You should be receiving you have to register to Plane, their payment processor, plane.com. If you're registered already and you have the KYC and the contract being made through plane.com, so if everything is in order, then after a payout request, it's usually within 2 or 3 business days. Now, if you don't have your contract signed through Plane, or the KYC has not been finished through Plane yet, or I don't know if there's any KYC there, you just have to type your data. I did mine like 2 years ago, but anyway, if it's not in order, it might take an extra 1 or 2 business days. But once you're done, it's like 2 or 3 business days until they wire the money. For example, I requested this $1,019. I requested this. I'm gonna actually show you. This is 2 payouts. So I by the way, I got approved for another payout, but it's only 600. So this is the one, the 517 and the $502. So this is the $1,019. So I requested it on now it says the 13, but it was basically Monday evening for me. So basically it was on my time, it was 13, but it was Monday on Eastern Standard. I don't even know why it says 13. I requested it after the 6 p.m. reset on Monday, and I got the money now. So how much time did it take for them? So basically like 3, almost 4 days that I received the $1,000, and I got approved this morning for $600, and that's it. I got this one also. I think I got this yesterday, this $2,000, and I don't know. Yeah, this took more time for them. This was under review for more days. This was like under review for 4 days or 5 days. This was very quick, the 564. That was reviewed for like a few hours, but this was for 4 days, that $2,000. Anyway, here's the giveaway. We have 24 participants. Definitely green. I definitely. I am a celebrity now. I'm in US and have gotten paid before, and not sure if I ever did Plane stuff. You have to, if you did not register for plane.com, you have to go to the payment methods link on your Apex dashboard, and you go there, and I don't know by memory, but you have to find the link somewhere to register through plane.com if you haven't done that, because if you didn't, you're gonna receive an email anyways from Apex that, hey, please finish your registration for payout method, blah blah blah. Yeah, 75. I've spent 75 this year. I spent a lot. I've blown up a lot of Apex accounts this year. Yeah. Now this account, where is this? Number 56 is my go-to account, and I'm already at 75. Imagine, and I actually started this account, I think it was the end of February somewhere. Look at that. My first request was on the 8th of May, and no, sorry, not the 8th of May. 56, yeah, March 2nd, which was denied. So number 56 was requested on the 2nd of March. I started with 56 sometime in February, and since February, so March, April, and until this time, I'm right now at number 75. Now this year, I told this to you guys yesterday, I am exactly, I'm gonna check, I have an Excel sheet, exactly $10,083 in expenditures this year. $10,083. Yes, $10,083. So I went over the $10,000 expense limit. Not limit actually, but I went over the 10K. My payouts, including today's payout and the Take Profit Trader payout, is right now. Hold on, I have to. Is right now all the payouts. Hold on. 28,741. So I spent 10,083 and I got payout 28,741. But yeah, so obviously I calculated the Take Profit Trader as well, which I made yesterday, and I'm still waiting for a $600 payout, which is already in the calculation. So in total 28,741, which makes, let's see the calculations, like let's just go with like 28,700 for now. Oh, sorry, 18,700, and let's go for 4.5 month. That's $4,155 net profit from prop firm trading this year. So I am net positive from trading payouts, which is an awesome thing. I didn't know I can make this, but I'm net positive if I average down. So over 4K net positive from trading payouts. Hello Yannick, hello. Bassam, good morning. You asked for 500, you're under review. Yeah, it could take for a few hours, it can take for a week. I was waiting for 8 days the other time. Do you continue trading those PAs while in review? No, I'm not. I'm not touching those accounts. If a PA account is under review, I'm definitely, if I request a payout, I'm not touching it. I'm doing another one. Yeah, nice V-shaped recovery here. Good morning, Ollie. Yeah, 56 is still alive. 100, welcome. Number 56 is still alive. Yeah, the Take Profit Trader was really nice. That yesterday I went. I have to say that I was a little bit lucky as well, and I was on a little bit. I was on tilt, and here comes the bad news. I've blown up 2 evaluation accounts yesterday while I was on tilt at Funded Futures Network. So I have a funded account also, which is awesome, but I had 2 evaluations, and I've blown up yesterday in that crappy price action in the PM session to not PM session, but in lunch hour, 2 Funded Futures Network evals. But I also made that's why I was on tilt. I made this 27 and 62 on Take Profit Trader. So it's not something to be proud of, but it's money. So it's money. I mean, I'm proud of it, but it's, you know, at least it's over the safety net. Similar statics, 10K this year so far, but income 11K. Very good. Consistent trader. That is awesome. Hey, you're break even, and that's a huge thing. That's a huge thing, man. Yeah. The Take Profit Trader daily payout card is something else, guys. You have to try Take Profit Trader. I mean, really, I know I'm an affiliate, blah, blah, blah. But hey, the daily payouts with Take Profit Trader, that is the feeling when you get that daily payout and you have that ATM machine ready for you. Obviously, you can't expect that you're going to make $1,000 every day. But, you know, that payout, I mean, that when you make profit during the day and that feeling that you can cash it out to your wallet, that's actually, wow, that's a good feeling. So that's why Take Profit Trader is definitely very, very, very good. in this. Disciplined Trader, aka Alicia. Hello, welcome. What was the fastest payout hit your bank? Well, to hit my bank, it's a different question. The fastest payout is still MyFundedFutures. It took them 9 minutes. But I think the other day I saw 0 Day J's post. MyFundedFutures paid him out in like 1 minute and 50 seconds. I was like, man, I also like that post. 1 minute and 50 seconds after requesting the payout. But, you know, they're putting the money into Rise wallet. So they're putting it to crypto. But from Rise to reach your bank account, it takes a few hours for me. So basically the fastest payout was still with MyFundedFutures, I can tell you that, to hit my bank account. So I requested the payout. It took them 9 minutes to pay me out to my Rise wallet, which is in crypto. And from your Rise wallet, I requested it to my bank. It took about a few hours, like maybe 4 hours or something, 5. So overall, from requesting from the dashboard, in about 4 hours, it hit my bank account. But you have to, withdraw it from your Rise account too, including that. So the fastest payout was still from MyFundedFutures. From Take Profit Trader, after it's in your wallet, it takes about 12 hours, I would say. 12 to 14 hours to hit your bank, basically. So both very fast. Let's go. Yeah, 2.7 G yesterday on Take Profit Trader. That's why it was. Yeah, take it slow. Don't do it like me. I was crazy yesterday. I lost my mind. That's why I lost 2. I can show you actually here. Funded Futures Network. Look at that. I know it says positive, but this was in 52,600 something. Actually 700 something. Look at this. Now it's admin only. It's been blown. And the other account, this one is blown too. So I have the new funded account, which is at $541 in profit. This is a static account basically. And that's it. But using tape for around 3 weeks and I requested my second. Let's go, VIP Global. Hey, VIP Global, congratulations. Sam just got the pro account. Trading Star, the celebrity, is here. Yeah, I know. It's actually a bad habit, by the way. So doing this is creating bad habits, guys. So yes, technically you can do it because there is no consistency rule about this. So yes, technically it's possible. But at what cost? It's giving you bad habits. Yeah. All day profits in the... Let's go, 100 lot. That's how you do it. Hey, thank you, Marco. So, yeah, I was talking too much, I know, but basically there's no entry here that I like. There is no entry that I would take on this one right now, so I'm just still waiting. Let's talk about trading. There is a bullish order block. Oh, sorry, bearish order block up here. Is it going up there? Who knows? I have a feeling that it just might. $79. It's starting maybe at 79. I'm not sure. 77. I would like to see price go up there. What's the opening of this? Yeah, on the 5-minute it's starting at 73 actually. Opening is 73.75. Okay. Would be great to see this. There was an inversion here. So inversion gap, I would say it might go up there. Kind of like that 73. Question is it going to reach down for this area? 43 down to 40. We'll see. Yeah, once you get a taste of daily payout, you can go back. Exactly. Full margin. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm a little bit bullish now that I see this order block on the 5 and the 15-minute as well. So I'm a little bit more bullish, especially after creating, like having some liquidity sweep and inversion gap too, you know. So let's just wait for it. The giveaway is still going. What size did you trade? I was scalping with 2, 3, 4 minis like crazy. So I was basically on tilt. What is the story on your daily payouts? Well, the story is that I went crazy yesterday, and you know, once you reach $2,000 on the 50K account, anything above $2,000 you can take out every day if you want, minus the profit split. So 80/20 profit split. So I'm gonna receive $609 from the 762, but that's the story for the daily payout. And last time I was really crushing it with Take Profit Trader. It was in March. I was having a very good run, and I was requesting payouts from Take Profit Trader from Monday until Thursday every day. Like as soon as we had the shift on the dashboard, I requested the payout. The account was deducted, the balance was deducted sometime during the New York Open, so I was able to trade again. And so I made profits in the London stream, or London, well, not London, come on, the New York session. And so when the New York session stopped, I just waited for the dashboard to reset. I requested again. I did the same thing. New York session, by the New York session, profits were deducted, and I was able to trade again. I mean, you can, but I didn't want to risk it. And I did this rotation from Monday to Thursday, and it was literally daily payouts to my wallet. So I was milking the account pretty much every day, because I was always ending up above $250. I mean, you can request $100 too, but there's a $50 penalty, quote unquote. There's a $50 fee if you're requesting below 250. That was the story. Yeah, let's go for cash. Yeah, that's a money printer, basically, if you think about it. That's why I said the closest feeling that you can get to a real live account is with the Take Profit Trader funded account or pro account. That's the closest feeling that you get because there's no restrictions. You can read about it in my article. It's in the description of the stream. I put an article to my blog. I put stuff there about prop firms. But basically, there is no restrictions. The only thing is that you cannot trade the news. And who wants to trade the CPI or the FOMC or NFP news event? So, and that's it. That is it. So almost like the feeling is almost like with a with a real account. The feeling. The feeling is almost like that. Gold is going higher. Okay, we are in this inversion gap right now. Let's see if it's going to pick up liquidity from here and go back up there. But who knows? Whoa! Zena! Hey, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for subscribing. Man, I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a trade, but if it's gonna trade through this area, then I might gonna wait for my turn and maybe try later something. I have a feeling it might want to trade through it, and it did. It just did. Okay. Anyway, I'm still a little bit bullish. Maybe gonna wait for a candle formation. Don't forget, everybody, giveaway is still on. We have 36 people in the giveaway, exclamation mark cash. We're gonna pick the winner in about a few minutes. Okay, $50 cash. That's good enough right now for an Apex, a Bulenox, or a Top Step account. We're gonna do a bigger one next time, all right? We're gonna do like at least 100 or something, okay? Chaz, good morning. If I forgot to say hello to anyone, then good morning. Camille, pinky promise that you're gonna win. Yes, pinky promise. Get 20 Apex. That, wow. Yeah. That's it. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not so much on a winning streak to jump into 20 PAs. I'm just slowly going to manage. No correlation. Yeah, interesting. By the way, gold is also like very interesting the way it moves. What a pump here. Anyway, I'm still gonna wait for a possible pump here up there to let's see. Yeah, so that's a 15-minute order block at 373. 15-minute bearish order block or supply zone / supply zone. But we have, oh, that's a 5-minute. I'm sorry, 5-minute. We have a 15-minute though, higher. The 15-minute is here. So that's a 5-minute. My mistake. I'm sorry. Click the like for support. I thank you very much. Oh, there's another order block here. Okay, that's a good sign. I am very tempted to jump into a trade. Very, very tempted to jump into a trade. If this one's gonna close above this one, I'm gonna take it as an inversion, most likely. Who knows? I might take it as an inversion. How much would be the risk on this one? Okay. Doesn't matter. Oh, look at that. Is it gonna trade higher? So the 15-minute is at 78. Interesting. Didn't quite go through. Who cares? Let's wait for this candle. If it wants to go down, yeah, I jumped in, by the way. 348.50 is my entry. I'm targeting the 15-minute, the higher order block up there because it's very close to midnight. My TP is 77. Let's see what happens. You know, small trade, risking about $100, not a big deal. There you go. Small trade. If it goes down, no problem. It happened before, it will happen again. It's in the cards. I just like the order blocks up there. Do we have some news, by the way? It's too late to check now, right? Let's see. Okay. 45 French CPI was here. Okay, nothing super special. We have 8:30 news. Core PPI, retail sales. Okay, unemployment claims. Interesting day. Interesting day. Yeah, jumped in. Komodo, hello. 50k account, and I opened 7 lots on option 1 account. It's not a violation. It's not a straight violation. Don't worry about it, Komodo. As long as you didn't do like $1,400 or $1,500 and then you're not gonna continue with the smallest size the next day, it's still good. I mean, you should be fine. I mean, yeah, don't worry about it. It should be fine. Bulenox, yeah. You should be okay. You should be okay. Break even. Okay, it was a mistake. You should be. You're gonna be fine, Komodo. You're gonna be okay. It maybe would raise some red flags if you would have made like $1,500, and then you would be just trading a few micros until you reach a payout. But it's fine. You're okay, 100%. And since because it's is it evaluation? Or if it's evaluation, you can do whatever you want. If so, don't worry. If it's a funded account, you're still okay. Evaluation accounts, you can do whatever you want. Eval, okay then, no problem. You can no problem. Absolutely no issue. No rules on evaluation accounts. Nothing like that. The only thing is the funded. So sorry. Why am I so sleepy? I apologize. Okay, let's pick the winner. I say. Okay, we have 47 people. Few more seconds to enter the giveaway. You blew my 6 funded account. Oh, you're gonna make it back. Okay, so a few more seconds. If anyone did not participate, here's your chance. I'm gonna close it real soon. Komodo, you have the ticket. Don't put a space there. Exclamation mark cash, Komodo. Don't have a you don't put a space there. Try it again. No space. There you go. No, not one. Exclamation mark. Do we have your ticket, man? I don't see you there. Okay, get trade. Yeah, there you go, Komodo. All right. Okay. Anybody else? I'm gonna count down. 5. Hey, Lucifer. Welcome from France. Enter the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. 10 seconds, all right? 10, 9, 8, 4, 2, 6, 5, 7, 9, 5, 3, 5, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 1. Closing the entries right. There you go. VIP Global just sliding in. I think he has it. Oh, there you go. You have your ticket. All right. Richard the Beast at the end of the line. All right, Richard the Beast got the ticket. Nice. How's the trade? Oh, it's looking bad. Trade is going for a stop. All right, we have 60 people. Okay. My God, we have Angel Q just subscribing. Welcome. 60 people. Angel, subscribe to the channel to have a spot in the giveaway. I think there's a 1 minute minimum. 1 minute minimum waiting time for subscribers to join the chat. So I'm gonna wait it out, and that's it. For Angel. But that's it. Natasha, hello. Yeah, we're letting Angel in. We're gonna wait for Angel. As soon as he or she can type exclamation mark cash, we're closing it. If he or she is not gonna type exclamation mark cash, there is gonna be no giveaway. How's it going, Natasha? We cannot do a giveaway without Angel. Everybody's waiting for Angel. Fine. All right. I'm happy. Do it, Angel. Just do it. DEW. Do it. The whole stream, the whole chat, everybody, even the market makers, everybody's waiting for Angel to type exclamation mark cash. Man, we cannot wait forever. The clock is ticking. London Open is right upon us. Man, this trade is going to go to the dumpster. But who cares? Kyle was faster than Angel. Welcome, Kyle. There is Angel. And we can't wait forever. The 1 minute definitely passed. What to do? What to do? Yeah, market makers all waiting. Everybody's okay. We cannot wait more. Angels hates cash. Angel hates cash. All right. Well, this is it. Okay, closing it. I'm sorry, Angel. We waited. Closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closing the entries. That's it. I'm covering the chat. So if somebody's entering now, it's too late now. So closed it. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway is no other than one of the best traders in the chat. Maybe the best one. We should all follow this person, everybody. He's basically an OG viewer or not, but he or she is definitely better than all of us. So who is it? Let's find it out. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway is no other than Bessem Hopchi or Hopsy. I don't know. Congratulations. Congratulations, Bessem, for winning the giveaway. As promised. Make yourself known if Bessem is not going to... Oh, it's here. All right. Everybody was hoping that maybe Bessem is not going to be here. Unfortunately, my trade just hit the dumpster. I'm out from this trade, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Bessem, congratulations. The way we do this is I'm going to type my email somewhere if I can. And please, if you have PayPal, that's awesome. If you have Wise or Revolut, that's even better. So PayPal, Wise, Revolut, these are the best options. I'm not sure I want to do crypto because that is really an issue. Okay. Here's my email. Bessem, congratulations. PayPal, Revolut, Wise are the best options. If you have a Revolut user tag or a Wise user tag, QR code or username, that's super fast, but I can send it to your PayPal. Actually, that's also super fast. But PayPal is super expensive also. I just realized PayPal is very, very expensive. But I mean, for me, it's okay. But it's up to you. You can choose. Congratulations again. What is going on? So we went lower. Let's wait for the London Open. I might be tempted to jump in again. Who knows? 70. What was that level up there? 77. 77. Yeah, it was. Anyway. Dun, 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 dun. We can say that we swept the lows here, and we have London Open in less than 1 minute. I mean, it's up to you, Bessem. It's up to you. It doesn't matter which one you choose. It can be PayPal, it can be Wise, it can be Revolut. These are the ones that are instantly there. So it's whatever is comfortable to you. I just know that PayPal is very expensive on wire transfers, and if you want to convert it to any other currency, then it's very expensive. So it's up to you. You can choose. If you want Wise, I guess you have a Wise username or Wise tag or some QR code to receive payments, and that's also instant. You know, super simple. Well, crypto I can technically, but you know it's like very expensive. I have to wire money to from my Hungarian debit card to Revolut. I have to convert there to USDC, which I have to send it to my wallet, and then I have to send it to your wallet, which is not super difficult. But in order to do all that, I think I have to spend like an extra $20 or something like that, including Ethereum conversion from my currency. Hey, I don't have to convert because I have dollars I received from Apex. Nice. So anyway, the fastest would be still Wise, but if you prefer crypto, I would need an Ethereum address. I mean, Ethereum wallet, which can receive USDC. Okay, Bessem? So by the way, Bessem, if you really want crypto, I can do that for you, but on an Ethereum network. Okay, Ethereum network. Send me an address that can receive USD coin. Okay, it's fine. I can do it for you because I think I have some Ethereum for gas fees on my wallet, so I can send it. Yeah, Tron network is cheaper, but yeah. Choose an easy way for him to send price. Yeah. I mean, crypto is good. I mean, there's no big deal with crypto. It's just yeah. So Bessem, if you really want crypto, we can do it. The only thing is that send me an Ethereum address. That's it. Yeah, no problem. Absolutely, Bessem. Congratulations. Let me know which one you prefer, and I will make it happen for you. I will make it happen. We are making miracles. All right, what is happening here? We have the London Open, pretty much going sideways still, a little bit crazy. Sideways action. Oh, sorry about the noise, I turned it down. So, smash the like. Thank you, by the way, for the support. Beanie Player, what's up? What is happening? Okay, seems like it wants to go lower, maybe. It wants to go lower. Interesting. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, NQ? Yeah, almost the same opening. I mean, it's a little bit crappy. Yeah, so I made a bad trade here by trying to go to that order block up there. But for now, I really have no idea. Maybe it wants to sweep more lows. I'm not sure. It's pretty crazy here right now. I think it wants to go lower. So what's it doing? Is it gonna finally go, or what's the issue? Uh, 1 minute is shifting. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna hit that midnight area somewhere. What's the midnight open? 79. Okay. I have a feeling it wants to go there. Anyway. Accumulating so we can pump again. Yeah, I think so too. Be careful with news events later, yeah. Anyway, jumped into a long position again. Maybe I shouldn't have. Targeting that 77 area. And if it fails, I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines and trying to figure out what's it gonna do. The problem is we have relative equal lows there, so that could be interesting, but somehow I still like that midnight area. And obviously I'm not gonna give more loss. I mean I'm just gonna wait patiently after this. I think I'm risking about 130. Oh no, man. I can't do this. It's just crap. Okay, F it. I don't care. Alright, I'm out almost. Yeah, here it is. And stop loss hit. Okay. No, thank you. I am done. I'm done. I'm not gonna force this. This is a crappy session. Yeah, that was dirty. I was hoping, that maybe at least this fair value gap is gonna hold. But it didn't. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, PPI. PPI numbers coming today. What a dirty move from NQ. dirty, dirty. What else is here? Might want to go lower, who knows? So it's not far from the low. It might want to do another, you know, dumpage down there. I want to take out this 320 maybe. What's the low of this candle? I'm curious what this one looks like. Low is 320.25 on the micro, and we have a gap at 21.25. I'm not sure. Well, anyway, let's wait for it. I was really thinking that maybe those order blocks could be a good area to go. Yeah, Ollie, maybe. I'm in the drawdown. Yeah. No, I'm stepping aside maybe to another account, but I'm gonna wait for this to show something. These were small losses, but like 130 bucks, but and I was not copy trading it. I'm just gonna sit aside here. I really can't figure this out, how far this one wants to go. Oh man. This was on a new funded account. This was on the Funded Futures Network funded account. So down to $332 on these losses. This is basically static, but I'm still in profit, $188, but these were the trades. And I'm not happy about it. $332 on this funded. I'm leaving it as it is. It's done. This account is done for today. So I messed it up. I went in after, like, I shouldn't have. Seems like it just wants to go lower. Anyway. It wants to take out the low, I guess. Look at that. The 17? I think it was taking it now. Yeah. Same situation as yesterday. How could I misread the market this much again? What's the low on the micro? The low here is 16.75. Almost there. Should be taking it out. Oh man, this is tough. Well, can't win them all. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Okay. And we have this one as PM session low from yesterday. possible sell. So I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not jumping in. It's hard to hold myself back, but I'm not gonna chase it. No way I'm chasing it. Instead, I'm going to wait. Let me delete some unnecessary levels. And I'm gonna wait to see if this one is shifting. And maybe I will take a long later. Look at that. We are melting down. 281. 272? Could be. And we have yesterday's London low, 237. So who knows? Careful if you guys want to chase this. TZ, hello. He is looking more bearish. I finally reject the weekly bearish fair gap. Rejecting it. How's it looking on the weekly? I see. Okay. I mean, what if this is gonna be the start of a sell-off? Interesting. 281 is definitely close. The only thing I can do is wait. Just wait. Gotta wait. Okay. Bit of a retracement here. Or we can, well, I'm not sure. We can call it a bounce. Repricing the 5-minute gap maybe. And then start going lower. Nothing else is happening. It's time for a pullback. Yeah, it's not gonna go down without fight. I agree. Wow, look at this. What is happening? Is this one just inverting this? Whoa. 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 What's going on here? What is going on here? Good morning, Isham. Hello, welcome. Trap sellers. Maybe. Now comes the decision. We are in the 5-minute gap. If it starts to push it way up in the 30s, actually up to the 40s, then I think it's settled. It might want to go back up there. I mean, the main move for London still did not happen yet. It could be picking the sell side below the 80s, 280s, but if the goal is to mess around with the sellers and it was really a trap, then I think that once it might want to squeeze them back to midnight area as we talked about it. But so here comes one fair value gap. This one was technically inverted. Let's wait and see. I mean, the 281 is still close. Yeah, it's still kind of close. I think everybody's waiting now what NQ wants to do. This is the decision point. Casual, good morning. We're under 50% of the daily candle. Maybe not for long. Yeah, we'll see. All right, what do we have? What do we have? What's it doing now? Is it gonna go for the 81? I think it wants to. Still have time. Back into this inversion gap right now. Is it gonna fall from here or not? So that's basically a New York PM session low. Still holding. Still haven't decided. It looks weak a little bit. I'm also thinking what to do here. Maybe to get a small position for those order blocks, or scalp it to that low, to 281. Or 84 maybe. I think it wants to go lower now. Satori Trades, hello. Background color, sure. Settings. Whoa. Canva. Background. Oh wow. Maybe I have to use a color picker, you know. But I can do it actually. It's very easy. All I have to do is just make a screenshot. And I can tell you in hold on. I have to save this. Okay. I'm gonna upload an image and I'm gonna pick the color. Okay, so this is the hex code and this is the RGB code for the background. Let's see. It still feels a bit of a little bit weak. I'm not sure if it wants to break higher at this point. There's definitely a small gap in the 15-minute time frame. If I want to pick liquidity above 29. Other than that, I'm not sure. Westham, I'm not sure you hear me or I'm not. I don't know. I sent you an email if you want Ethereum or USDC. Let me know and I'll start to do it right away. I received the email you sent. I just don't know which one you prefer, Ethereum or USDC. Well, today not, but there's gonna be, what day is it today? Today is Thursday. Maybe tomorrow in the New York session. We had a giveaway Monday, today, and maybe tomorrow. MB, we'll see. But tomorrow, by the way, I'm just saying, I said this yesterday, there will be no London stream tomorrow, as I'm taking my mother to hospital. And but I'll be back for the New York session, so. All right, what's it gonna be? Is it gonna go higher or what? Might be going lower. Look at this. Keeps going lower. Did it go down? It didn't go down there. To the 300s. Look at this, it's popping higher. Maybe there was some kind of a news here. All right, what's the deal here? Are we going lower or? It might want to go for the 281. Stop, you're out. Be careful. Seems like 281 could be a target. Yesterday PM session low. I am not jumping into this. Not like this. Gonna have to wait. Not like this. Look at that, melting down. Typical London session. All right, let's see. Awesome. You received it. Nice. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. It's cool. You are very welcome. Congratulations for the win. We made it. Okay, 281. Look at this. I can't do anything with this like that. I mean, this is just... Maybe it's gonna turn around after picking the sell side. I'm not sure. What's it gonna be? Should be busting through that 81.25 just now. There you go. It should have done it earlier, but at least we got it. And we actually picked the low here, I think. Which was an AM session low. It seems like. Oops, not this one. Okay, so I think we poked into that too, maybe. 72.75. The micro did. Yeah, with one tick. Not sure about the mini. Yeah, the mini did too. All right, so poked into liquidity. Both AM and PM session for New York. Now what's it gonna be? It's the waiting game. Still just the waiting game. Going for 237. Yeah, it may be. The problem is I'm still not confident enough to jump in. So, and we have pre-market open real soon. 12 minutes. Kurt, hello. Good morning. Yeah, it's way down there. I know. I'm aware of that gap, and we might just see a huge sell-off incoming. So 237 is definitely in the cards. And especially when I look the 1 hour and look at the gaps here on the 1 hour chart. Let me get up some lines. So I can actually imagine this one dropping to 237. Why not? You know, it's actually quite possible. You know, take a risk to reward. 1, 2. I mean, why not? For a possible meltdown. You never know. We're seeing a bounce here. Might want to go back above the 300s. You never know. Short from 303. That's a good area. Let's go, Joey. We're in a short 320. Okay, you guys are into it. Bands, good morning. 289 is sprinting, another buyer's exhaustion, kind of iffy. Yeah. Well, we have a 1 hour fair value gap down there, and we have previous day low. /busy. I don't know. If the goal is really to get ready for a huge sell-off, then 237 should not be a problem for NQ at all, because it's just like how much, 50 points away. I took a short position myself, a very small one. Very small one. I mean, not a very small one. I'm risking about $100 something, $100 ish, 110. Let's see if it wants to go down to the. My TP is 40.25. So the only thing I'm still hoping, I know the pre-market open is still ahead of us. I'm just still hoping that it might want to take a dumpage. Here's the trade. Not really the best entry, but then let's go for previous day low, right? I guess I have to walk away after this one if it hits my stop again, which is not a bad thing. I'm just coming back for New York, but I guess I have to take some fresh air and rewire my brain after this. 260 is a good target. Yeah, well, yeah. If we would go below the 60s, I might even would put it to break even. I'm definitely not feeling it today. The thing is, I know that I mean, some people would like to see streamers blowing up accounts left and right with oversizing, and that's why I might be a little bit too boring for someone or for some viewers, but I just don't want to blow up left and right like with 5 minis or 10 minis, but at least it's on a funded account. Yeah, I know. The risk to reward is not too good, Cord. I know. I'm still just hoping that we might get a drop lower at the pre-market open. It's a gamble, actually. I mean, it's always a gamble, but now it is really a gamble. And I just want to get out just above 240. So at 240.25, actually. At least I could recover my losses from the previous trades. Well, don't worry, Devin. The thing is with taking breaks is that setups will always be there. There's always be the next opportunity, the next trade. So the market is not stopping. It's setups are going to happen like every day. So especially when you're day trading. And that's it. And it took me quite a while to realize that, because I was feeling the same, like, oh man, I missed the big moves here and there, blah blah blah. But then I realized that, well, who cares? I mean, there's always a setup every day, and now I know it. So so if I skip a day or a session, I don't really feel a FOMO, because I just say, okay, tomorrow there's gonna be another one. Trump tweeted April 9th, you don't want to be out of this market. April 9th? Oh, I mean, when he announced some news. I mean, that was a big candle there, I think. Well, define normal. Yeah, I mean, curry fishbowl, I don't know. I don't know what can be defined normal here. It's a good day to trade yesterday. Yesterday was a huge pain. Yesterday was a pain. He let everyone know. Okay. So I guess we are fading Trump. Oh, hey, my payout got approved at Take Profit Trader. Look at my account. Hey, it has been deducted. The profits have been deducted. So the payout has been approved. Nice. Let's go, Take Profit Trader. I got $609 after 762. So after profit split, it's 609. It's in my wallet now. So it's in my wallet. I mean, I could have requested if I close down the account, I can keep 50% of my safety net, but I want to keep the account for now. So and it's daily payouts, everybody. Daily payouts. That's what I'm saying. Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it's a 50K account. Here's the account, actually. So where is it? Here's the account. Now it's back to $2,000 because that's the safety net. But so this is the account, and here it is. So it had you guys might not seeing it, but it had 762, and now it's back to 2,000. So it just been deducted. All right. Benne vagyok. Mondtam, hogy benne vagyok. Yeah, that's an ATM withdrawal. But now we have to work again. We have to work again to get some profit. Obviously, I always try to aim to do more than $250. But obviously, if it's not happening in a trading day or a session, I'm not crying. But you know, if I make like $300 or $400 or $5 on this Take Profit Trader account, which I mean not this one, but that's how I did earlier on the other ones, I'm just gonna withdraw it to my wallet. So like an ATM machine, withdraw. You know, every few $100, just withdraw it. Yeah. Definitely, Cord. That's the goal. I did that earlier, 100 lots. So I had the 150K account, and I pushed it up to $4,800, and I choose to close it. So I could walk away with the extra profit was $200 something above the threshold, which is 4,500. So above the threshold, I received the 240 something, and I walked away with 50% of the safety net, which was 2,250. So I chose to close it. But this one, I'm still keeping it. Yeah, withdrawals are great. That's what we're all doing. I mean, that's why we're here. That's why we're doing it. I'm still sitting in this short. If it would try to pick the low there, I might have a chance to somewhat recover from the losses. Like, yeah. So basically, I took the extra profit above the safety net, and I kept the safety net. So anything I do here above the safety net, it's technically mine after that 80% profit split. So keep that in mind, 80%. profit split. But anything I do above the safety net, I can withdraw it. So it almost feels like a real live trading account. I mean, this is the closest feeling that you can get. I'm talking from experience. This is the closest feeling that you can get to trading like on a real live personal account with Take Profit Trader, because there's no stupid rules. You can do basically almost whatever you want except trading the news, the big news, and that's it. 80% profit split. I can live with that. It's okay. So that's it. That's the best thing in Take Profit Trader. You just take it out after 3 or 4. Yeah, I'll shut it down. No. I try to milk it as long as possible. If I could do it with Apex Trader on number 56, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to milk this account as much as possible. Yeah. You got 25k. It doesn't really matter if 25k or 50k, as long as you get it above the safety net, you're good. Oh, it lost all anchored VWAPs. Hey. Well, then I think I'm effed. Igen, ez sajnos ez így történik. Fellow Hungarian traders talking with me here. Yeah, ez sajnos így szokott lenni. Legyél óvatos. That failed itself. Yeah. It's 700 left on the account. That's also good. Close your shorts. Maybe I should do that too. No consistency rule on the funded account, Camille. No consistency rule. There is a withdrawal cap. I mean, not cap, but they are moving you to a live account if you take out $10,000 from each of the pro accounts, I think. So if you withdraw $10,000, you don't have a choice but to go to a live account, and they're going to put some of your profits into, if you have a buffer, they're going to put it to a live account. But I don't know the details too much. I have to look into it. Somebody was saying 20,000 on the website. It was saying 10K. I'm not sure. But it's not forever, so you can't milk it forever. But again, they're just going to put you to a live account, which is okay, no problem. And you can still continue to trade on your other pro accounts. So not like at Top Step when they are closing down your XFA accounts, everything, and you just left with one account. You can still continue your other accounts to trade, which is a good thing. Does that mean you pay? Yes, you have to pay for data. Professional market data. That's unfortunate, but it's the same thing on other prop firms too. And the professional data is like $125, I think, or $120 per month. Yeah, you have to pay for professional data. Yeah. Yeah, in terms of rules, and you can check it out if you go below the stream in the description. You find my article about the rules, the set of rules, what you can do or you cannot do. It's basically super simple. I mean, we have some good prop firms, obviously, but the best rule set, which is not too many, one rule. Like, I mean, Top Step, you know, the early days, they were using one step, one rule. Now, this goes to Take Profit Trader. One rule, don't trade the big news. That's it. So with Take Profit Trader, one rule, no trading the news. Otherwise, you do what you want. We don't care. That's the thing. So, one rule. Do you keep journal for trades you take on a live stream? Skumar, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Yes and no. I mostly journal about my emotions and feelings nowadays. And if I have a very good setup, I save it, or a very bad setup that makes me blow the accounts or go on tilt, I also save it to learn from it. But I'm not like like every day, like, you know, all the trades, because that's going to take forever and I'm just too lazy. That's the one problem. The second problem is it's unnecessary. And here we are on YouTube. That's a very good journal for me as well, to be here on YouTube, but mostly about feelings, emotions, what I did wrong or good. That's what I used to write down. So not, and as I said, some of the charts. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Shenanigan. It's not cheap. What software are you using to trade there? Yeah, this is Quant Tower. This is Quant Tower, but I'm paying for Quant Tower $27 per. Whoa! We just had KB subscribe to the channel. Welcome, KB. Thank you for joining. So I'm paying $27 for the advanced features, which is the multiple connection feature, because there's a built-in copy trader, and for $27 you're able to connect to multiple prop firms at the same time. So that's why I love Quant Tower. I have a discount code for it because it's $30 for the advanced features. If you want it for $27, you can use my code. Wink. You know. István, egyetértek. Egyetértek. Oh, I forgot to answer to József here. Hát mindig kell. Nagyon legyél óvatos olyankor, József. Tényleg. Igen. István, üdv a streamben. We just cracked the low of day. Previous day low is at 37 something, I guess. That's why I'm looking for 40.25. I took profit of 147. Hey, let's go, Byte Media. I'm still looking for this one to drop. We still have time in the kill zone. The code is the same. The magic code is Tom Sabo. You can use the magic code for Quant Tower to get a 10% discount. You know, and I know you guys want to hear it. I know you guys want to hear it. So, I know you guys want to hear it. So here goes nothing. If you want to have a good time, if you just want to enjoy yourself, have a good day, a nice coffee maybe, a nice pizza, the only thing you have to do is think about the best cheat code for prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. Don't forget, all the prop firms has it, but nobody knows except for you. So enjoy it. You have my blessings and all the good luck in the world. Use it for the best deals out there. Thank you. Sponsored by Tom Sabo's YouTube channel. Thank you. Was it good? All right. All right. Oh, yeah. Quant Tower is the best. Shenanigan wanted there. Malo, welcome. I could be a radio DJ with that voice. Yeah. The commercials are awesome, right? I'm a natural. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should go to voice acting, you know, for some cartoons or whatever. I don't know. Anyway. Nice. Let's go. Oh, look at this, man. It's just retracing back up there. I don't like this. I'm long. Give me your stop. A stop. Okay, I can give you 305. Go for it. Actually, I am really thinking to close this trade now. I just don't know. I don't feel it right now. I'm definitely not lined up with the market right now. So, and this is a big if trade. Like, I might even take the FOMO on this one if it goes down, and I close it here and I just take the FOMO. Because, you know, now this could be the exception. Like when you had too many losses, like I did this morning, maybe it's best to take the FOMO than more losses. There's one thing I could do though. Guess what? Let faith and Jesus decide. After this, okay? Oh, I'm relieved now, actually. It's a free trade. House money, everybody. Okay. House money. The best thing to trade with house money. I can't lose anything on this anymore. You need liquidity. What platform does MyFundedFutures use? They basically pretty much dialed in. They have a volumetric on their website, but otherwise they use DXFeed, so you can use TradeAwait, Quantower, NinjaTrader, ETS, you name it. There's like other ones there, so you can connect with any one of these. TradeAwait, TradingView connection, I think that's there. I'm not using TradeAwait, but they have it. They have it. It's up to you. Basically, you can choose whatever you like. I use Quantower for everywhere, everything, except for funded futures. Actually, I have to check it. I have to activate it. I have to check it if I still have that account. FUNDEDNEXT futures. Man, I haven't logged in. I'm logging in. I'm going to show you guys. I have to log in. So except for FUNDEDNEXT futures, oh, here it is. So I got a funded account at FUNDEDNEXT futures. Look at that. I just have to activate it. So I made a 25K funded account. It's right here. I need to do the verification. So I have that. Now this is TradeAwait, but I haven't really traded on this. But anyway, this is TradeAwait. I have to verify FUNDEDNEXT futures account here. The last time I was trading on TradeAwait with TRADEIFY, but I was so focused on the Quantower accounts, I'm saying it like Quantower accounts, that I almost got, actually I blown up the TRADEIFY account because I just can't focus on TradeAwait, trading on TradeAwait and Quantower at the same time. I couldn't. Need to size up, trade 5 micros, and also always get like 20 points. Well, if you can do it consistently, you know. As I said, Ron, now for you, you're on probation, Ron. Ron, you are on probation. You're allowed to purchase 1 cheap Bulenox account. And I need your trading report in 30 days, okay? Just trolling, man. I grabbed your stuff, and now you're gonna grab my stuff here. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. My hands are itching to close it down. What would be my average risk to reward? Yeah, usually 1.1, 1.2, slightly above 1.11, but I try to aim for 1 to 2, but I have a hard time doing that. All right, I'm closing it. I don't care. I was down 300 something dollars on this funded account. This morning I was on a losing streak. You guys saw it. I'm still down almost $200. I was down 300 something. This account was up $520. It's a funded account. I'm still down. I don't care. I don't care. Whoa! Sidhart Sidhu. Hey, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Deal all into terms I was not okay. No, don't worry, Ron. I'm trolling, man. Just joking. No hard feelings. Of course you can do whatever. I told you the plan. I told you the plan. I need your trade reports in 30 days. Monthly, what would be your net gain in ticks? In ticks, I have no idea. In risk to reward, monthly gain, I have no, or percentage. I mean, percentage I definitely can tell you. This month, though, this month I am up $6,570 on payouts from trading, including this withdrawal I just took from Take Profit Trader. As for risk to reward, I have no idea because every account has different numbers somewhat. It's hard to measure these accounts. I have like 8 or 10 funded accounts which I'm not copy trading. Sometimes some of these accounts I scalp trade. Some of these accounts I let it run for like small with just a few micros and just swing trade it, like quote unquote swing trade it throughout the day. It's not the same results. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It's all on stream. I don't know what you mean, but yeah, it's all on stream. The reason why I'm not copy trading, sometimes I do copy trade 2 accounts, maybe 3, because I can't handle it emotionally. I can't do it. I did that 2 or 3 times this year as well. I blow up everything. I couldn't handle the pressure, especially when I'm on a losing streak. So imagine that this morning I went down to $350-ish. If I would have copy traded like all my accounts, or maybe like 8 or 10 accounts, and all of the accounts were down like $350, I couldn't exist today if that would be the case. I'm taking too much emotion into this. I still have to work on it. I just can't handle it. I can't. So if I copy trade 2 accounts maybe and I'm down, it's all right. I can just leave those accounts. My mind is going to remember that, okay, no problem. Let's keep those accounts for today and let's move on to some other accounts. That's how I do it. Sometimes, I mean many times, I just trade 1 account, especially on those accounts which are close to payouts. I just switch down the copy trader and I just trade every account 1 by 1 which are getting closer to payout. And that's it. That's the way I can handle the pressure. I guess by time to time I can handle more, but I'm very slow. I'm a turtle. That's the only thing so that's how I roll. That's it. Excuse me. Yeah, again, Joseph is asking if my brain is tilted and if I go to a different account, am I doing more damage or not? Yes and no. Thank you, isn't that? Yeah. So igen és nem is, quick Hungarian here. Van, amikor olyan szar az agyam és el van cseszve minden, hogy a többi számlán is kárt csinálok. De van, amikor sikerül megállnom magamat, és akkor csak apró profit. Szóval ilyen 50-50. I'm just saying it's 50-50. Sometimes when I'm really on a full tilt session and I just can't walk away, I might do some more trouble and damage on my other accounts, which I'm not copy trading. And I would say it's a 50-50 thing. If I have the mental strength to walk away or not. And now, everybody, it's time to walk away. That's for sure. So I'm walking away because I'm not going to enter any more trades on this. Hopefully New York session is going to be better. Thank you everybody so much for being here on the stream. I appreciate it, but this is it. I'm calling it. I'll be back for New York session. There's going to be news today, so be careful. The open should be better than yesterday. So Nestor says that's a buy. Let's hope so. I mean, good luck for everybody. We're close to yesterday London low, so be careful. I think 37 could be tagged even after the kill zone. So thank you. Don't say that, Ron. ChatGPT for the win. No, you're not a loser, man. Don't say that. All right. Thank you everybody again for watching. And if you would like to support the stream, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys use my code here. Tom Sabo works for all of these platforms. If you're looking for the best available deals, discounts, reset prices, there's still some good deals going on. Take Profit Trader is down 30%, no activation fee. MyFundedFutures 30% off from experts. Check it out. If you're new with MyFundedFutures, 50% off if you're a new customer. Otherwise, 5% of everything. Bulenox 91%, Apex 80%. Funded Futures Network still has the buy one get one for free, and there's some others as well. Check it out. DAYTRADERS, FUNDEDNEXT Futures, whatever. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate it. See you, everybody, later. God bless you, everybody. God bless. Cheers.